In this video, you will see how to mask an image in Google Slides. As you can see, I have converted a rectangular image to a circular image. And you can also use different types of shapes to incorporate the image into the shape. First, click on the Insert tab and upload the image under the image from your computer. After uploading the image, now what you have to do is first crop the image. So just click on the image, click on the crop tool option and adjust the section of the image you want. After adjusting, just click outside the image to crop the image. Now to mask this image, what you need to do is just click on the image. This time click on the drop down of crop tool. You will see many shapes here. Because we want a circular shape right now, so we will select the option oval. And after selecting, as you can see, the square image is converted to circular image. Now you can do many things. You can click on the image, you can change the outer border color. For example, let's say black color. We can increase the thickness of the outer border, or if you are not happy with the border color, you can change it to, let's say, yellow. And if you want dotted or a dash border, you can do that as well. If you want to reduce the size of this masked image, press shift on your keyboard and then drag through its end so the aspect ratio doesn't change. If you don't press shift, it will be difficult to maintain the aspect ratio and you will get the oval instead of circle. You can also rotate the image by clicking on this dot and just move right or left like this. If you change your mind and if you don't want a circle, you can just go to the mask tool option and select any other shape. For example, let's say circular rectangle. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Google Slides. Like the video, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to learn more tips and tricks quickly like this. Thank you.